Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Durple from Incredibox Sprunki. I used the cap of a bottle to draw the curve easily and quickly. You can try this method too, or you can even use a compass to draw the curved part. If you are good at freehand drawing, you can try that as well. In the world of Sprunki, there exists a calm and serene character known as Durple, a purple dragon whose presence is as tranquil as the skies themselves. With his long, dark purple horns and fin-like frills on either side of his head, Durple's distinctive appearance is only outshone by his quiet demeanor. Though he may appear intimidating at first glance, he is, in fact, a gentle soul who enjoys the simple pleasures of life, such as collecting and playing trumpets. A keen fondness for the color purple runs deep within him, a trait that is reflected in both his design and personality. Best friends with Simon and Oren, Durple's bonds are unwavering, and though he might seem distant from others like Jevin, he shares an unspoken connection with his closest companions. Durple is the 12th character in the Incredibox mod, Sprunki, where he stands as the second melody, his sound a unique mix of harmony and effect. His melodies, often tranquil, contrast the more vibrant and energetic tunes of others like Sky. Durple's sound has undergone several changes, making him one of the most modified characters in the series, with notable shifts in both animation and audio over time. Durple's background is rich with intricate details. His old animation drew inspiration from God in K-Box V1, featuring the ethereal Aloistica Melly. Despite being a dragon, Durple cannot fly or breathe fire, traits typical of his kind. Instead, his magic lies in his music, where his trumpet melodies echo the serenity he embodies. Interestingly, Durple's connection to the cancelled update is significant. He, along with Jevin and Wenda, saw clear signs of horror-inspired redesigns. Durple's animation was altered, though his tranquil nature remained intact. In contrast, other characters like Jevin received more drastic changes, both in idle and animation. Yet, Durple's core identity, his calmness, his love for purple, and his music, remained steadfast. Even in his older designs, he stood apart from the others, a quiet, ever-present melody in a world filled with chaos. And as one of the few characters to retain his old normal audio in the cancelled update, Durple's role as a symbol of consistency and calmness is irreplaceable. His sound even once synchronized with Mr. Fun Computer, giving him a playful, yet mysterious quality. Known to be Nyanko BFLOL's favorite character, Durple has undoubtedly earned his place in the hearts of many fans who appreciate the simple beauty of a serene dragon who finds joy in music and the color purple. I used vivid purple for head and body of Durple and azalea purple, a darker shade for his horns and ears. I completed Durple with a black outline using a black gel pen. I drew other characters from Sprunki, such as Wenda, Veneria, Mr. Tree, Durple, Gray, Ratty, Mr. Funbot, Brud, Owax, and many more. I have included clickable links at the top of the page and at the end of the video. You can check out those videos as well. Kindly leave a comment letting me know whether you liked this video or share your thoughts about it, it really helps. I hope you liked this video. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.